This video sponsored by EduGuest.
The struggle to find courses that truly speak your language, it's finally over. Welcome to EduQuest, where learning is made just for you. At EduQuest, we bring you a wide range of online courses, from career building programs to skill boosting masterclasses, all in your regional language. Because we believe language should never be a barrier to success. Our courses are tailor made after understanding what today's learners really need. So why wait? Start learning the smarter, simpler way only with EduQuest. Visit eduquest.courses and explore your next course today. And hey, don't miss out on our exciting offers and promotions.
Start.
Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Asayam. 7, 8, 9, 10. രണ്ട് പേരും റൈറ്റ് ലെഗ് ലിഫ്റ്റ് பண்ணுங்க. ഏകപാദ ചക്രാസന. റൈറ്റ് 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. அப்படியே வேணும். Yes.
Very good. எல்லாம் clap பண்ணுங்க.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release slowly. Release your leg first. Exhale and calm down. Very good.
Second time. One more time.
Keep your chin down, okay? Breathe in and come up. Start. Breathe in and up. Hold your legs slowly. And breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release. Slowly release. Now, standing. Lie down. Yes.
Good evening to one and all gathered here. Students as Anusha Baby, Kirti, Asan Samina, Sanjeevana, Murugadarshini, Hasini. Shweta as Preeti Kumar.
Yes, coming right here, students. Students, visit Catholic. Shweta, you are new friend. Who are 8 years old? Thank you. She is very short. Yes, very short.
அனன்யா என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க?